We're given to understand from sources that the government has received investment proposals worth over 16,000 crores for the ECMS scheme. That essentially is the Electronics Components Manufacturing Scheme. Remember, it was introduced with an outlay of 22,911 crores and it opened on May 1, 2025. In fact, sources also suggest that the scheme has been received well both by Indian and foreign entities and firms. Sources also say that approvals will start coming in for applicants in the month of August and onwards, and of course they're likely to go through the month of September as well. Remember, this scheme was unveiled and it was aimed at boosting domestic production of key electronics components, and it is expected to run for a period of 6 years and is devised to boost production of electronics parts and reduce India's reliance on imports. And this scheme was of course introduced and is aimed at building local value addition for electronics manufacturing in the country, given the fact that India is still deeply reliant on imports from other countries. In fact, under this scheme, Chinese companies can apply, but they are required to have strict limits on equity ownership, and there has to be a mandatory tech transfer as well. It supports manufacturing of components like PCBs, non-surface mount devices, lithium-ion cells, etc. And in fact, the overall aim of the government with respect to this scheme is to increase domestic value addition in electronics to 40% by 2030.